Today we're learning how to add the Kaleidoscope effect in CapCut Mobile, a super cool visual that turns your video into a mirrored artistic pattern. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, from the bottom toolbar, tap on Effects and then choose Video Effects. In the search bar, type Kaleidoscope and you'll find a few different styles to choose from. Each one creates a slightly different mirrored look. Tap on the one you like and you'll instantly see that trippy geometric pattern appear on your footage. It's a great way to add a creative or music video vibe. Next, tap on the effect in the timeline to adjust its settings. You'll see two main sliders here, intensity and atmosphere. The intensity slider controls how strong the kaleidoscope reflections are. Drag it higher for more fragments and a more complex pattern. The atmosphere slider changes the overall feel. Increasing it adds a smooth, dreamy tone to your video, while lowering it keeps the effect sharp and crisp. Once you've fine-tuned everything, play the video to preview your final kaleidoscope effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a kaleidoscope effect in CapCut Mobile. Experiment with different styles and slider settings to match your video's mood perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials.